Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos and I'm here in Pisco, Peru. And let me start by saying, oh my God, 95% of the people are attacked, mugged, raped, kidnapped, everybody. 95% of Americans or people, tourists that come here are attacked. I'm standing here with a policeman that I've paid to keep me safe, and it is worse than any place I've ever been to on earth. And it is absolutely terrible, and the church is behind me back here, but I'm going to spin the camera around and you can see for yourself. And he says, do not ever talk to anybody on the street. He said, don't ever talk to anybody except policemen. He said, it's that bad. 95% of the people here, tourists, are attacked. Crazy. Let's turn the camera around. So this is it, and it's full of tuk-tuks and everything else, and yeah, this is the main square. This is where I had an Uber. The ship dropped me off at some little Piscuri, a little town, and there was nothing there, and it was just absolutely horrendous. And so I was thinking, I mean, the ship wouldn't let you come to Pisco and have it be unsafe. Bullshit. It's a lie. This place is unsafe. Everything about this place is unsafe. I mean, there's a cop on every corner, and even then it's not safe. So I'm telling you, you think really hard about coming here. This is not okay. I paid the policeman. I'm paying for protection. He even said to drone, so I did drone, and I'll show you that too. I just droned the main square and the surrounding area around here, but it is heinous. I think I'm going to ask him to walk with me for another 20 bucks down to the ocean, just so that I could see that. But you know what? I think I'm going to skip that, and I think I'm just going to go back to the ship. This is not safe, and it doesn't feel safe, and people are watching and looking, and I see people talking about and pointing, and so no, do not, whatever happens, don't go to Pisco. I'm telling you, I've been around the world, 150 countries, every continent, and again, I've been to Naco, I've been to Tijuana, I've been to, downtown Mexico, I've been everywhere, and this feels twice as bad as all of it. So I'm telling you, be very careful, everybody. That's it. Eric Clark from Pisco, Peru. Don't do it. It's a no-go zone. That's it. Bye.